Hi guys, this is Tutor from Uplatz, and today we are going to see how you can extract the left and right part of @ from an email ID. So there's a situation always where you're faced with it a lot of times that you have an email ID or a list of email IDs, say like 1,000 email IDs, or you're capturing leads from some website, from anywhere else, you're doing your marketing or etc. Anything like that, and you'll have a list of email IDs, and there's possibility that you want to extract the first part of the email ID, which is before the @ so which is the actual email ID, and then on which domain that email ID has been created. So something like gmail.com or hotmail.com. If you want to extract that part separately, then we'll see today how we can do that. Okay. So let's consider one email ID, which is dummy@uplatz.com. Now let's calculate the position of @ So the first step is we need to calculate the position of the symbol @ in this email ID, right? Now let's look at the formula that I put in here. The formula is equal to find text. What we have to find? We have to find @ Fine. So we'll put @ within text. So this is the email ID from where we want to find the text. And start number. So we have to start from position 1 and keep on searching the whole email ID to find the first position of @ 6. Now you can see dummy 5 characters and the 6th character is @. So you get the position of @ as 6. Now you want to extract the left part of the dummy. So sometimes you have a name here. For example, you have a name field which is blank, and you have an email ID and you want to populate this name field with whatever default you see before @, right? So in that case, how you would extract this part. Let's see this. Now the formula here will be is equal to left. So let's put it again. I'll just put it again. Is equal to left of this text and how many characters we want to extract. So the position of @, whatever position it was on, for example, in this case, it is at 6th position, we want to extract the string before @. Hence, we will put this number here, B2 -1. So -1 is very important. Now, instead of B2, you can actually put the formula which we had put in B2 directly over here. Okay. Or to simplify the situation, just create a column to get the position of @ and then put is equal to left A2, B2 -1. And now you can see we have dummy here. Wow, we have done the first part. Now let's see how we can extract the right part or the domain name from this email ID. So again, we'll do the kind of same operation that we did last time, just that this time we will take right. So we'll take is equal to right, fine, then A2. So basically it's like which text, A2, and then how many characters you want to extract from how many characters you want to extract after @. Now we don't know that number because it can be anything. It can be gmail.com, hotmail.com. It can be 10 characters. It can be 20 characters. When we know the position of @, this is not sufficient for us to extract the right part of the email ID because we don't know how many characters it is. Hence, what we are going to do? So we are going to do a subtraction of this @ position number from the total length, right? So if the total length, of this whole string, which can be like 20 characters or whatever it is, minus the position of @, which is at the 6th position. So the first 6 characters are then gone, and the remaining part, from that remaining part, you are taking the right of it. So we'll get the whole the string after @. Hence, we get it here, uplatz.com. Perfect, done. Thank you. So cheers, bye.